Today I'm making some yummy Christmas treats. I'm going to take 100 grams of these chocolate-filled cookies. I just bought these from Dollarama. They're just $1. Normally I would do the whole package, 200 grams, but I'm just making small batches today. So I'm just going to take some of these and break them up. Half at a time. There we go. You want to do these pretty fine. I'm just going to continue crushing these. Cookies are all crushed up. I'm just going to put them in a bowl. To that, I'm adding 50 grams of cream cheese. And I'm going to mix this all in. Well, I've got the mixture all mixed up here. And I'm going to shape these and put them on some parchment here. I'm going to continue shaping these. Then I'm going to put them in the freezer for 5 minutes. Ready for the freezer. I have 75 grams of white chocolate wafers in here, and I have some water in this little pot, and I put this on and I'm going to melt these. Now, white chocolate scorches very easy, so you really have to watch it and take it off the heat before they're all totally melted. I've taken it off the heat and I'm stirring the last little bit in. The chocolate is melted, and I'm going to put one of these in and turn it around. Cover it with the chocolate. I'm going to put it on this paper. Roll it in the chocolate. Whoops. Set it on the paper. And I'm going to continue doing that for all of them. This time I'm going to take 100 grams of vanilla-filled cookies. And break them up into pieces. So I'm just going to make this into crumbs just like I did the chocolate cookies. The cookies are all done. I'm just going to add them in. I'm going to add 50 grams of cream cheese. And I'll just mix that up. First with the fork and then with my hands. Well, it's all mixed up here. And these ones I'm going to make into little balls. I'm going to continue making these. then they're going to go in the freezer for 5 minutes. I have 75 grams of chocolate wafers in here, and I'm going to melt them in my little double boiler here. This is my candy double boiler. So I'm just going to turn that on and wait for those to melt. Well, the chocolate is melted, and we're going to dip these in the chocolate, roll them around. Continue to do these. Till they're all covered. There, they are all dipped, and now I will chill them. I hope you try this recipe. They are very good. Nice and rich and creamy and smooth and chocolatey. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. You have a great day.